guys, I'm Georgia. Today I'm running really behind when I would usually be using the Balm OG cleanser, my absolute fave. I'm going to be using their gel balm cleanser, which is just as good. It's just that I have half the time this morning. I'm going to show you how this works. Step 1, I'm going to wash my face just with warm water. Face is wet. I'm then going to apply like 2 to 3 pumps of the cleanser, just like that, and then apply to my face. So, a really great thing about this cleanser is that it smells just like the OG cleanser, and it carries all of the exact same ingredients. So you've got your eucalyptus, your clove, your chamomile, your hops. So you've got all the good stuff going on. It's purifying, it's soothing. Okay, so our next step is to rinse this off. That's what I'm gonna do now. And now pat dry. Pat, pat, pat. So my skin type is, it's a combo. Some days it's really oily, some days it's really dry. It kind of does its own thing as and when it wants. Super annoying. But I do find that this cleanser totally balances that out, which is why I love it so much. My little secret is that I keep this in the shower with me, so I can just kind of do it very quickly, and then I'm ready to go about my day, whiz out the door, do whatever I have to do if I'm in a rush, which I am half the time.